This video is part of a series to teach you the basic spreadsheet skills. In this video, you learn how to use autofill. As you can see, the active cell is D4. We know this because there is a square round this cell with a bold outline, and in the name box, it states D4. In D4, we need a formula to take away the cost price from the selling price, as we demonstrated in the previous video. So each formula begins with equals, click in the first cell and subtract the second cell and then press enter. And there we have our answer. But in order to do all these three, we don't have to type out each formula in each cell. What we can do is go back to the first cell, D4, move our cursor down to the bottom right hand corner till the cursor changes to a black cross. Click and hold down the left mouse key, and just drag down and release. And each one is automatically calculated. So if I click in D5, you will see the cell reference here is C5 minus B5, which is what we want. If I double click, it will highlight the colors, this one and this one. If I do the same for the next row, you will see in this one it's C6 minus B6. So the formulas have automatically changed with reference to the cells we want to do the calculation upon. There is one other quick way you can do the same process in the later versions of Excel. If you click in the cell where the actual formula is you want to replicate down, which means to copy it down, you go to the bottom right hand corner as usual. Instead of clicking and holding, you just double click and it will calculate them correctly for you. This skill is called autofill. Please subscribe to the channel to get more tips on ICT and computer science in the future. If you hit the bell icon, it will notify you when there's a new one uploaded.